Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install apps on Windows without using the Microsoft Store. This is useful if the app you want isn't available in the store, or if you prefer installing software directly. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Windows tips. Let's get started. First, open the search bar on your taskbar and type Settings, then open it. In Settings, select Apps from the menu on the left. Next, click Advanced App Settings. Under Choose Where to Get Apps, change the option to Anywhere. Now you're ready to install apps from outside the Microsoft Store. Next, open your web browser and go to the official website of the app you want to download. For example, let's say you want to install Steam, which is a popular game launcher. Go to the Steam website and click Install Steam. Once the installer finishes downloading, open the file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed an app without using the Microsoft Store. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.